Walking Levante. Walking Levante. Morning light on the golden sand. Waves roll softly across the land. Palm trees swaying in the ocean breeze. Levante Beach, put your mind at ease. People laugh in cafes, come alive. Music in the air, the city's vibe. From the Rincon down to the old town streets. Every step along the promenade feels sweet. We're walking Levante, sunshine all around. Blue skies above and the sea's the perfect sound. Benidorm shining bright as can be. Just a seaside stroll and a world to see. Walking Levante, where the good times flow. Following the coastline wherever it goes. With the Mediterranean sparkling in sight. Levante Beach is feeling just right. Joggers passing, cyclists ride by. Seagulls dancing in the clear blue sky. Terraces buzzing with a holiday song. On this famous seafront, we can wander all day long. The water glistens like a field of glass. Take it all in as the moments pass. Every corner brings another view. Benidorm magic shining through. We're walking Levante, sunshine all around. Blue skies above and the sea's the perfect sound. Benidorm shining bright as can be. Just a seaside stroll and a world to see. Walking Levante, where the good times flow. Following the coastline wherever it goes. With the Mediterranean sparkling in sight. Levante Beach is feeling just right. So come along and take the scenic way. Levante Beach on a perfect day. Sea to the side and the sun shine free. Walking Benidorm by the beautiful sea.
Seen one of them.